BACK stock the next week, okay, Monday. This is pretty much from 23rd, actually 25th of March and onward. Is it a buy or not? Let's talk about it. This is a very short 1 minute video, no BS approach. So you see, I have a line pointing down. Although we have seen like a 92% increases in price on Friday, like my honest opinion, like genuine approaches, most of the time stocks like this that it just come up like out of nowhere with 100% gains. Like for example, if it goes like 130%, is like times 1.3 multiple, and it's not like something that crazy, like do look at the overall directional bias here. Can this thing start trading like crazy to the upside? Of course, but honestly speaking, like because discretion, testing this for like 4 years and 19,000 videos, most of the time just continues to deliver lower unless we see some crazy news, which I'm going to keep an eye on. So check out the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.